scenario 1 is to identify the top selling product within each category. So here we need to identify the basically how many times each product was ordered within each category, right? So we will achieve this step by step. So as a first step, we need to first identify how many times each product was ordered, right? So for this, we need to go to the order items table, and the order items table consists of the product details like product ID, quantity, and unit price of each product that are being ordered. And here we need to count the basically count the product ID to get the count of each product that was ordered. Basically, we need to count each product. But if you see, a, a single order can have the same product ordered 2 times. For example, if I am going to the shop, I can order a veg burger with 2 fries. So to get the exact number of times a product being ordered, we need to sum up the quantity of each product, right? So we will write the query for that. So the query is select product ID, comma, sum of quantity from from order items table, right? Here we need to group by product ID to get the sum of quantity for each product. So group by product ID. I'll give a alias name for this as I'll just give quantity, and the actual column name is right. I'm just giving a short name QTY for this sum of quantity, right? I'll execute this. Now the result shows the number of times each product being ordered, right? So now as a next step, we need to get the product name and the respective category of this product ID, right? So for this, we need to join this result, basically the product ID from this result with the product ID from the products table. So basically we need to join this result with the products table based on product ID. So to achieve this, we will wrap this inside a CTE. So CTE starts with keyword with, I'll just give a name as product quantity as now we need to join this with products table on product ID. So the query is select, we will first complete the join part, select from product, join product quantity CTE. We'll give a short name to this products table, P product quantity PQ on P dot product ID equal to PQ dot product ID. Now we will get category from product table and product name, and we will get the quantity value, basically the sum of quantity value from the product quantity CTE. So PQ dot QTY. Now I'll execute along with the CTE. Now we get the result like for each category, how many products, I mean the quantity of products being ordered for each category, right? Now we need to get the max quantity for each category to get the top selling product. And for this, we need to use ranking window functions, and we need to rank by quantity within each product category. So first we will wrap this inside a CTE to find the rank. So comma, we'll give a name as category quantity as now we will define the ranking function. So select category, comma, product name, comma, quantity, and then we will use rank over. We need to get the rank, basically rank by quantity within each product category, right? So we need to do partition by category column and order by quantity in descending order, so that the highest quantity value gets rank 1, right, from the category quantity CT. Now I'll execute all this together. See, now within each category, the products are ranked based on the quantity value. Now our goal is to get the top selling product within each category, right? So we will filter this result based on the rank value, right? So we will assign a name to this rank column as we will give RNK. Now to filter this result, again we will wrap this inside a CTE. So comma product ranking as this query. Now we need to filter this CTE based on the rank column. So the query is select star from product ranking where R and K, right? We have given this name, right? So we will use R and K equal to 1. Basically, we fetch the top selling product within each product category. Now to get the result, we will execute all this together. Now the result, we get a clean result where for each category, which product was ordered most, of the times, right? So if you see here, we have used rank function because as we saw in the category introduction, yes, if the same, I mean, if the two products have the same quantity, right, that will also be fetched without any skip, right? So we can use rank or dense rank to achieve this result, right? Now Also, we need to see the CT advantage. Like we have just, I mean, a big complex query, right? Instead of writing a big complex query, we just split the big complex query into step by step, and we got the result. Now we will move to the next scenario.